Welcome to Cetacean Conservation and Human Life, a course offered by the Master Program of Biodiversity at National Taiwan University. The course is structured around weekly modules that combine lectures, discussions, multimedia examples, and real-world case analysis. Each session focuses on a specific theme, ranging from cetacean biology to human impacts, ethics, and conservation strategies. Classes are held in the Future Classroom, a technology-enhanced space designed to support active learning and collaboration. Lectures provide the scientific foundation needed to understand cetaceans, beginning with taxonomy, physiology, and communication, and extending to behavior and intelligence. Students also analyze relevant articles each week related to the topics covered. The instructors use diagrams, migration models, acoustic recordings, and high-quality videos to help students visualize how cetaceans live, communicate, and navigate the oceans. Furthermore, students analyze events such as ship collisions, dolphin bycatch in fisheries, whale watching impacts, noise pollution, among others. Students take an active role in the learning process.
But I think the more we understand dolphins, the better we will be able to conserve them.
At the end of the semester, each student presents a final project based on topics covered in the course, showcasing their understanding of cetacean issues and their ability to communicate conservation knowledge. During the semester, students also participate in a field trip to learn about whale and dolphin watching in Taiwan, gaining hands-on experience in marine wildlife observation, conservation practices, and the ecological importance of cetaceans in the region.
I think the course showed the students more real-world issues like human activities, like the philosophy of conservation, not only the biology. So that will be valuable for students when they are going to deal with the real situations in the real world. I hope the students could learn from the discussion, especially for the difficult issues like captivity, like stranding response, like whaling. So we can have different perspectives. So we will be open-minded. We can encounter the real-world issues, and we can have better answer. Not only the conservationist dialogue, but someone could really responsible for the issues.
We start with learning about cetaceans biology and also their behavior. We learn about how to differentiate dolphins from whales. Then we move on the story between the relationship between humans and cetacean, like how we went from whaling to whale watching. And we also learn about nowadays complicated relationship between humans and whale, and that not everything is not too black or too white, and we need to balance to find solutions to whale conservation, cetacean conservation.
I learned how to develop critical thinking skill, especially to solve cetacean issue. And for example, what we can do to practice in our home besides outside of the field. So for me, I want to wear only cotton materials so I could avoid distribution of microplastics to the ocean.
It's a whale watching activity we did, so we didn't see whale, but I was able to see for the first time dolphins, and it was like spinner dolphins, so we were able to see them like spin, so it was an important experience to know what we are talking about.
I remember that we are exposed to whale and cetacean crying in our class, so I remember that I feel sad when they are crying, so that means we also need to concern about whale feeling besides only humans feeling. So that's important for us to aware that this creature has feeling.
This class has some impact on my life, as the professor of this class is now my advisor for the research thesis. So this class has had an impact, and now I'm slowly going on the field of cetacean conservation.
My future career is that I always wanted to become a lecturer one day, and I am actually now doing more research on plankton and zooplankton, which is not directly towards cetacean, but actually without cetacean, the ecosystem will be disrupted. So actually it has a little bit relation to my current study. So what I'm going to plan is that I will make my students aware of this cetacean issue.
Through interactive teaching, ethical reflection, scientific exploration, and real-world application, cetacean conservation and human life empower students to become informed contributors to marine conservation.